Hi guys, it's Julie from cookedbyjulie.com. Today we're making a quick and delicious meal in the Instant Pot baked ziti, and you're going to love it. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is add water to the Instant Pot and some salt. Throw in the ziti, and of course you can use any type of short pasta you have on hand. Give it a good stir, and then you want to add the sauces on top of the pasta. I did a combination of marinara sauce and creamy Alfredo sauce. You can use store-bought or homemade, but this is such a quick and easy recipe that I want you to use whatever you have on hand. Seriously, once you combine marinara sauce and Alfredo sauce together, you'll never go back. It tastes so good together. Pop the lid on top, seal the valve, and you'll want to press the pressure cook function and cook this for 4 minutes. It'll take about 5 minutes to come to pressure, so it'll be a little longer than 4 minutes total. Once the 4 minutes are up, you'll want to do a quick release, which just means you'll unseal the valve so the steam releases. Give everything a good mix, check for seasoning, add the mozzarella cheese, and if you like spice, a generous amount of red crushed pepper. If you don't like it spicy, omit the red crushed pepper. As you can see, I didn't add ricotta cheese because the combination of the marinara and Alfredo make this super creamy. It really didn't need it, but if you want to add ricotta cheese, add it right now. So at the same time you add the mozzarella cheese, you'll want to add the ricotta. If you have fresh basil, go ahead and throw some in there. Serve with some fresh parmesan cheese if you'd like. Go on over to my website, cookedbyjulie.com, for the complete recipe, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and sign up to my newsletter. It's free. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching.